Did you know that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases offer more than just protection? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases to see if they're worth the investment. With a unique foldable design, finding the right case that balances protection and functionality can be a challenge. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge device that deserves a case that complements its innovative design without compromising on usability. We'll explore a variety of Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases, from slim and stylish to rugged and durable, to see how they hold up in everyday use. Each case has its own unique features and benefits, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right one for your device. Now, here comes the key moment. Discover the standout features of each case, including their compatibility with wireless charging, kickstand capabilities, and overall feel in hand. Whether you prioritize protection, style, or functionality, there's a case out there that's perfect for you. In summary, we'll weigh the pros and cons of each case to help you decide if they're worth the investment for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. From sleek designs to heavy-duty protection, there's a case for every user's taste and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. And let us know in the comments below which Galaxy Z Fold 6 case caught your eye. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we look forward to hearing from you.